Hey everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. We have another mystery box for kiddo. I got the cute little Poshpak. Subscribe, open, love. I did not subscribe to it. I got this month's box off of Etsy. And it's actually last month's box, but they took so long to mail it out. I had to actually contact the company. Yeah, it was a big ordeal, but they made it right, so very happy. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh, it says pretty in pink, and then on the back is a list of everything that's in there, but we're just going to go through it. It's adorable. It might be a little too big right now, I think. But it is a headband, and it has beautiful, cute little hearts on it. Nice sliding adjustable back that is elasticy. We got two little suckers. It's called Polka Dot Lip Gloss. It's by City Color. They did put extra stuff in our bag because of the delay. Ooh, and it smells good. It smells like candy. Like sour cherry almost. Got a cute lipstick pen. Very cute. I know I'm going to be borrowing this. Aw, glitter gel smens. It's a scented pen. And I love the container it comes in. Ooh, it smells really good. It's got cupcakes on the design. And that's pretty much what it smells like. We have a cute little patch. It's a stick-on patch. It's the pound sign. Package of adorable socks. I think these will be too big for her. But here's one design. And then the other design is super cute. I got the box in the size 5 to 7, but she's just 5. So the socks might be a little big. But that's okay. Ooh, we have this beautiful dip-dyed scarf. This is gorgeous. She's gonna love this. Cute little pineapple pencil bag. This is a big bag. Opens up very cute. Now, beautiful, big, chunky bracelets. It's stretchy. But that is adorable. Okay, so let's take this over to kiddo and see how she likes it. She's really been in the mood for toys lately, so I'm hoping she doesn't come off as ungrateful. But I think she's really going to like a couple of these things, and I'm super excited for her to get this box, because I'm a little jealous.
Mommy, I'm going to close my eyes. Nah! Who is it from?
It's called a Poshpak.
Poshpak? I want to open it. Why you open it? What is all this stuff? What is this?
It's a headband.
Let me try this on. It don't really fit me. Probably when I get bigger, it'll fit. What is this? It says I love you?
It's your card.
Oh. What is this? You can put it on a shirt.
Yep.
I don't want this. You can have it.
Oh, thank you.
You can have it. These are too big for me.
But they're beautiful socks.
They're too big. I want you to have them.
Oh, thank you.
I needed one of these.
And it's beautiful.
I don't have a dark pink one. What is? This is a bitty pin.
Yeah.
I can have it.
Yes.
They put dots on it. Let me smell this pencil. It smells like cupcakes.
We'll open it.
Okay. It's a higher throw pin. Smell it! It smells like cupcakes. I want to leave it open.
Okay.
need this.
Okay, just put it down. We'll get it later.
What? Oh, they packed. I don't like this kind. I like strawberry. I want you to have this one.
Oh, thank you.
What else? What is this?
It's a bag.
I want it. What else? There's another melting. What is it? What is it?
It's lip gloss.
Lip gloss? Let me smell it. It smells like lip gloss. Let's leave it. It's fine. Let's leave it. I want to see what this thing right here looks like. What is it? What is it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's me. I want to wear this at school. There's no school. Let's leave it. What else? Thank you. Bye. Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.